Hey everybody, in the world today, we all need to have dash cams because we all know there's bad drivers out there everywhere and it's winter time right now. So just make sure that you're smart. Make sure you get a RoadEyes recSMART. That's what this episode's about. Just don't get in a car accident, basically. Just don't get in a car accident. You'll be fine. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hitfar Tech Rundown, the place where we give you the rundown on things going on at Hitfar and some of the tech involved. Make sure that you're subscribed because we're doing these videos, we're trying to do it regularly. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the content and leave a comment down below. Let us know if there's a video that you'd like us to do, but let's just jump into what we're doing today. We are talking about the RoadEyes Dashcam. The reason that we're talking about that is subscribers out there asked for it. We had comments asking, how do you install? What does the video look like? And we're gonna go through all of that today. So the install is super simple. It comes with a 12-volt adapter that goes into your little 12-volt / cigarette lighter. So you're gonna go ahead and plug that in. You're gonna plug your USB cable into that. And for us, what we like to do is we like to keep things nice and simple. So I hide all my cables. So I run it down the side of the center console, underneath the carpet, up the weather stripping, and then just leave that cable dangling right by your rear view mirror for now. So once you get through with all of that, the rest of the process is pretty simple. Okay, before we get started with actually installing our little sticky mount, we're going to want to wipe down the area where we're going to put it so that it's a nice clean surface and something really sturdy for this to stick to so that it doesn't come unattached. No dirt, no grime, and for that we're going to be using our whoosh today. So now that you've got your wiring installed and it's all nicely hidden along the liner and the weather stripping, you're going to want to install the actual window mount. So this is your little adhesive strip right here, and it's going to have a little arrow on it. The arrow points up, which points towards your rear view mirror. And you're gonna wanna put it behind your rear view mirror. We're gonna go ahead and line it up so that it's nice and straight down the middle and that it's out of the way, but still in an area that we can easily attach and remove our camera. One of the questions that we had about the RoadEyes Dashcam is, what does the video actually look like? So we're gonna go for a quick drive and here's some of that footage. So as you can see, the camera looks really good. There's really good crisp quality. It's a dash cam. I mean, you're gonna get everything that you need for an insurance claim. Maybe you're going on a road trip and you wanna save some of that footage, you wanna share it with friends. That's all available on the RoadEyes app. So make sure you check it out. We've got limited quantities available left. So make sure that you pick one up before the roads get rough out there, that you're capturing your experience with RoadEyes. Until next time, guys, I'm Ryan. This is the HTR. We'll see you soon.